Discover the YR06194 Portable Veterinary Dental Unit, designed for mobility without compromising efficiency in veterinary clinics and environments. Its compact design allows for dental treatments to be performed anywhere, from consulting rooms to mobile clinics, farms, or even military installations. Thanks to its portability and simple operation, the veterinarian can conveniently control the unit with a foot pedal, ensuring precision and speed in every procedure. Its durable, oil-free motor guarantees reliable and quiet operation, ideal for small animals that require a calm environment during treatment. With 600 W of power and a maximum pressure of 6.5 bars, this unit ensures a constant airflow, while its 6-liter aluminized air tank and 1-liter clean water and drainage bottles facilitate extended, uninterrupted treatments. Weighing only 34 kilograms and with compact dimensions of 550 by 420 by 760 millimeters, it is easy to transport and store, ensuring that every session is efficient, safe, and comfortable for both the veterinarian and the patient. The YR06194 combines mobility, power, and reliability, making it an indispensable tool for any veterinary clinic that requires versatility and excellence in every dental procedure.